Good morning. Today I'm making Espresso Mascarpone Panna Cotta with an Espresso Caramel Sauce. I love panna cotta. It's so easy to make. It's a quick dessert. You can keep it on hand. When people drop in, you've got it ready. So let's get started on Darlene's table. I'm starting with a half a cup of whole milk and the gelatin. Whisk it well and set it aside so that the gelatin can completely dissolve. Now sugar and espresso powder mixed together in the pot, no heat on yet. Two and a half cups of heavy cream. I'm going to mix it well again, always. And the mascarpone, which is like it's an Italian cream cheese, very rich, very good. I'm going to bring this mixture to a low boil. Now, I did not use vanilla beans, so in a moment you'll see me use vanilla bean paste, which still has that wonderful flavor. A little salt. Don't bring this to a hard boil. Keep it on a medium to low heat. See, just a few bubbles. That's good. Now I'm adding the milk gelatin mixture. We need to make sure we get all of it in there and make sure that it's mixed well with the espresso mixture. And now my vanilla bean paste, my favorite vanilla. I'm going to transfer this mixture in a moment to, there we go, I'm going to transfer it into this measuring cup that has a spout to make it easy to pour. You can use any of these all at once, but you can use some small ramekins. You can use, these are half cup, little glass containers, or when I'm making a lot for a party or something, I use these little disposable glasses. And then I pour the sauce on top, and people can eat it with a spoon and throw that away. We're going to put about half a cup in each one. I'm just going to give it another stir. This is going to go into the refrigerator for 6 hours, at least. The panna cotta will sit in the refrigerator for a minimum of 6 hours, and I just prefer overnight. And now we're going to make the espresso caramel sauce. So I'm going to blend the brown sugar and espresso powder. If you like the taste of coffee, you are going to love this dessert. And now I'm adding 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of heavy cream, and I'm going to let this heat up, and I will cook it at a low boil once everything is melted until it coats the back of a spoon and does not drip off. This sauce turned out so well. All right, you see that? So I made the sauce, and it's very good. So I have to let it get to room temperature or slightly warm, or it'll melt the panna cotta. So a little bit later, when it is at the right temperature, we'll put it on the plate, put the panna cotta in, and we'll decorate. Let's wait for that panna cotta. It'll be worth it. Espresso Mascarpone Panna Cotta. I love panna cotta with its sweet, smooth, velvety texture. It's like love on a spoon to me. But paired with espresso caramel sauce on the bottom, well, that immediately transports me to a happy place. Every bite is absolute heaven. If you think I'm over-exaggerating, then I suggest you accept the challenge and try this for yourself. It's another easy-to-make dessert, and I promise you will thank me later. So please go to darlenestable.com, find the recipe with all the ingredients, and make this today. Then let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching this video. God bless, and I hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table.